Okay guys, so the very first product which I'm going to use is a concealer, and I want to tell you that before this I've already moisturized my skin, I have applied the sunscreen, I have already toned it, and I have done all my skincare regime, and then I'm starting off with my makeup. So I'm going to conceal it first with a concealer from Makeup Studio. It's dark yellow and it goes on each and every skin tone. While applying the concealer, make sure that it is evenly spread on the entire area, like where it is required. It should not just be like patches. Now I'll move on to my foundation, which is from Nykaa. It's Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation in the shade Very Vanilla. This is the foundation I am obsessed with. Okay guys, while applying the foundation, just make sure that you are starting up with a very little amount of the product, and then gradually you have to build it up. It's not like that you just load your face with lots and lots of product and then it becomes very difficult for you to blend it, or it becomes so cakey. So always start with a very minimum amount of product on your face. Guys, don't forget to cover your neck as well, because sometimes it might be possible that you end up buying a wrong shade, as in a shade lighter or darker to your skin tone. So if you apply that on your face only, then your neck will look of a different color and your face will look totally of a different color. So just don't forget to apply it all over your neck as well. After applying the foundation, the most important thing that has to be done immediately is breaking your face. Baking your face, and that is you can do with a translucent powder or any baking powder you want according to your skin tone. Now let's start with the eye makeup. I'm wide awake and breaking into. I can't make it. So will you save my life? Tonight, I'm talking in my sleep, and I'm tired of feeling secret I can keep. I'm letting it go. I say it. So will you set me free? There's nowhere I can go inside my head. So guys, here I tried to create some sort of gradient, like going from lighter shade till the darker shade, and I just wanted to work with the family of pink. So I used the orange one, then this pink, and then the purple, this one, lightish purple, and then the dark purple. So I tried to work with that, and you have already seen how I made that gradient, and I'm going to do the same on the next eye. I'll be back. So guys, you can see that I have covered my lower lash line with the same color I have used on the top, the pink one. So guys, for the shimmer, I'm using this Huda Beauty's palette, and yeah, so I'll take a brush, I'll wet it with water or with rose water, whatever you feel like, and or a face primer or a makeup fixer, whatever you feel like. And I'm going to take this shade and gonna dab this just on the inner corners of my eyes. Tonight, I opened up my Okay guys, always remember that it's very important to mix this crease, blend it properly with the color, otherwise it looks too odd when you will, close your eyes. So guys, I have applied the same shade in my inner corners just to highlight it, just to show my, my eyes are a bit bigger. Highlighting always increases the size of whatever thing. It might be an eyes or cheekbone. So just highlighted the inner corner. Now let's complete the eyes first, since we have started with the eyes. So I will be doing mascara on my lashes, and I will be using the Too Faced Tan Cool Mascara.
Tonight, there's nothing left to dream, and it's broken lullaby, it's all that's left to see.
My eyes are done. I'm not doing anything with my brows because they are already like this, and yeah, so I'm just going to cover my face. I will do contouring, blush, highlighting and the lipstick. I am contouring with the Nykaa contour stick, and here it is.
I opened up my eyes. Tonight, I'm wide awake and
Okay guys, so can you see that defining on my cheeks? A shadow is created on my cheeks as well as on my jawline. Can you see that? Now it's time for some blush. So I'm using this Makeup Revolution blush on my cheeks according to my skin tone. I'm using this one. So guys, just make sure whenever you are applying blush, it should get merged somewhere with your contouring. It's very important. Otherwise, two different lines are visible on your cheeks and that doesn't look good. So I just try to do that. Try to merge. Now I will be using the highlighter from Makeup Studio, and it's a bronze shimmer effect liquid highlighter. Can you see that natural glow on my skin? It's looking like as if some natural oils are coming from inside my skin. So that is the advantage of using liquid highlighters. I can't say about the other brands, but yeah, Makeup Studio is my tested and used brand for highlighter. You can always go with that, because as far as I know, some brands, I don't remember the name, I have used their liquid highlighters and I ended up having that sparkly feeling and look on my face. It looked like as if I have applied something. It's not that dewy and natural as this is. Just have to blend it very perfectly. Yeah, can you see it guys? And with time it settles down more, it gets absorbed into the skin and the entire thing looks so natural. Now it's time for the lips. So I'm gonna keep my lips very nude and subtle. I don't want to go overboard with the makeup, otherwise pink eyes or pink lips that will look so odd. You can always do that, that's your choice, but I'm going to keep it very minimal. So I'm using the lipstick from Lips Don't Lie, Nykaa, and the shade is Chocolate Boy.
Secret I can keep. I'm letting it go. I say it. So will you set me free? There's nowhere I can go.
So this is the lip color, but I want to make it slightly more nudish towards the brown only. So I'm going to use this lipstick from Huda Beauty. Its name is Staycation, and yeah, looks like this.
Tonight, there's nothing left to dream. And it's broken heart.
So guys, this is the shade which I've got. Sorry. After applying that lipstick, still I feel like I can add a tint of this lipstick into it. This is from PSC Retro Matte Gloss. So I'm not gonna apply it all over my lips, just dab it somewhere so that it can mix into a different color.
I opened up my eyes.
Guys, this was the video for the day, and for many more amazing and beautiful videos you have to subscribe my channel first if you haven't, and don't forget to click on the bell icon, and yeah, do like this video.